Instagram is great for sharing memories and creative moments, but you might not want your posts and reels to automatically end up on other people's profiles. If it's important for you to maintain control over your content, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off the repost option. It's important to note that this only applies to public profiles. So first, find and open the Instagram app and log into your account. Once you're in Instagram, the next step is to tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, which will take you to your profile page. When you're on your profile, you'll see 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap them, and this will take you to the settings page. Once you're in settings, you'll see a variety of options. Now, scroll down and find the option called Sharing and Reuse. Tap on it. After that, you'll see several different options in this section. Find the one called Reposts on Posts and Reels, and then tap the toggle next to it to turn it off. Once you turn off this option, your posts and reels will no longer be able to be automatically reposted on other people's profiles. And that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like it and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you for watching, and see you soon!